This video will show you what to do if the fingerprint scanner is not working on your Samsung laptop all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is head to the settings app on your laptop. Now go to this Windows Update tab and then check for any pending Windows updates. If you see any updates available, make sure to install them first. Next thing you need to do is go to this Accounts tab right here. Now in here you will need to select the sign in options. Now here click on fingerprint recognition and then remove all the fingerprints that you have added. After that, simply restart your Samsung laptop, come back to this menu and then set up your fingerprints again. Once you do this, the fingerprint scanning should work as expected. However, if this doesn't work, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you will need to locate biometrics section. So I currently don't see this section because my laptop doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, but you should see it on yours. Simply expand the biometrics section, right click on the fingerprint driver and then select properties. You'll see this kind of window. Now here go to this power management tab. Now here uncheck this allow the computer to turn off this device and then select OK. After that, simply go ahead and restart your Samsung laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.